Tired of wrestling with messy XML files and wishing you could just see your data neatly organized in a spreadsheet? Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly convert XML to CSV using the power of Zapier in just a few clicks. First, head over to Zapier and click on that big orange Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, we need to set up our trigger. In the search bar, type in Webhooks by Zapier and select it. This will allow us to send our XML data to Zapier. For the trigger event, choose Catch Hook. This tells Zapier to wait for incoming data from our XML source. Click Continue. Zapier will generate a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL. You'll need it to send your XML data. We'll need to send the XML file in the body of a request to this URL. Now, let's set up our action. Search for Code by Zapier and select it. This is where we'll transform the XML into CSV. Choose Run JavaScript as the action event. This will allow us to use JavaScript to parse the XML and convert it to CSV. Click Continue. In the JavaScript editor, you'll paste in your code that parses the XML data you sent via the webhook, and then transforms it into the CSV format. Zapier has documentation available if you need assistance with this. Next, we'll choose where to send our freshly converted CSV data. Search for Google Sheets and select it. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This will add a new route to your Google Sheet with the converted CSV data. Connect your Google Sheets account and choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to be saved. Map the fields from the JavaScript step to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Finally, name your Zap something descriptive like XML to CSV Converter and toggle it on from now on. Every time you send an XML file to your webhook URL, Zapier will automatically convert it to CSV and add it to your Google Sheet.